Did you talk about wearing black today? Is this planned? James and Nadine, look at what they're wearing. Officially, JD. They have shirts. Oh, and even the addicts have shirts as well. Look at that. I just noticed. All right, let's zoom in on this team right here. Are you ready for your cheer? 1, 2, 3, go! Cheerleading position. All right, so guys, you know what to do. Once again, this is to test your knowledge of JD. I'll ask a question. Once you have your answer, write it down on your Fab 2 device. You have 10 seconds. Once you're done, you raise your answer. Okay, you have 10 seconds to do that, and then of course, Nadine and James will confirm if your answer is accurate. All right, before you write your answer, wait for me to say go. Is that clear, officially, JD? Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready, James and Nadine? You both look gorgeous tonight, by the way. You're such a good-looking couple. Kinikilig ako, guys. I can't contain it, but okay, let's play the game. First question is, I will say here so you don't see the cheat sheet. All right. When did James Reid win the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash Edition? Oh, on 3. 1, 2, 3, go! We'll tell you the scores after. 10 seconds. And James, when did you win the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash Edition? Wait, your answer is 2008. Your answer is? And James, the correct answer is?
Arigama. 2010 daw.
2010! Guys, alam nyo, ang galing nyo. Invisible points for you, don't worry. Alright, so none of you got it. We'll move on to the next question. What is Nadine's, wait for me to say go, what is Nadine's full name? 1, 2, 3, go! Si James, alam na alam mo. Buong ano, middle name. Buong middle name, full name. Time's up. Raise your Fab 2 device. Okay, I want to read it for you, Nadine. Officially, JD, no coaching. Ano ba yan? Okay, Nadine Alexis. Full name, guys. Ito naman, Nadine Alexis P. Lustre. Alright, so you guys get the point! Full name. Dapat kasama yung middle initial. Tapos ipakita nyo. Don't worry, marami pang questions. Okay, I will share Nadine's middle name, by the way, or full name na lang. Nadine Alexis Pagia Lustre. Did I say it right, Nadine Pagia? Okay. Now we know Nadine's full name. Let's move on to James. What is James's full name? 1, 2, 3. I know writing. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mas mahaba yung kay James. His name's longer.
I can see that. Yeah, okay. Alright, let me see. No changing, no changing. Raise your Fab 2. Raise it, raise it. No na, raise it na. Robert James M. Reid. Let's move on to this side. Robert James Reid. Saan yung middle initial? You get?
Okay.
Okay, remember you can't change your answer after I say go. It's okay, let's do this one more time. so many questions, don't you worry. But, mechanics again, I'll say 1, 2, 3, go, then you write. When your time is up, raise your Fatu device and do not change your answer, okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Ito, if you're a real JD fan, I think you would know this. When is James's birthday? Wait. 1, 2, 3, go!
Complete birthday.
Happy birthday, guys. Monday.
Raise your Fatu device. And the correct answer is May.
May 11, 1993.
Alright, let's move on to the next question. 2, 1 or 1 all? 2, 1, tama. Alright, now we know James's birthday. Let's move on to this beautiful lady over here. When is Nadine's birthday? Don't write yet. When is Nadine's birthday? 1, 2, 3, go!
Dapat na yung time.
Okay, show your answers. Ang kapal naman yan. By the way, the feature is if didiinan mo talaga makapal yung pagsulat mo. October 31, 1993. So the score is 3-2. Alright. You guys are doing well. 1 point difference. Let's move on to the next question. Where is James's birthplace? Where is James's birth? Guys, don't write yet. When is James's birthplace? On 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, how you're turning me into a teacher? No coaching. All right. It has to be exact. It should be exact. I'm sorry. Where were you born, James? Can you share?
Sydney, Australia.
Sydney, Australia. It has to be exact. Kayo naman. Alright. Marami pang questions, officially JD. That's how crazy they are about you. Let's move on to the next question then. Guys, eyes on me muna. Eyes on me. Don't write without me saying go. Okay, wait for me to say go. Alright, next question. Where is Nadine's birthplace? Exact ha? Where is Nadine's birthplace? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright. Okay, we have the right answer for one of the teams. The answer is...
Quezon City.
So the score is 4-2. Is your mom here?
Yes, there.
I want to say hi to your mom. Hi, Mom. Where are you, Mom? Hello. All right.
You coached, but you were still wrong.
Mommy, no coaching ah. Si Mommy talaga. All right, let's move on to the next question. 4-2 is the score. You can still catch up. Nadine is a former member of which girl group? What? Guys, wait for me to say go. Nadine is a former member of which girl group? 1, 2, 3, go.
7 names and members. Full names.
Yes, miss. Parang yung
Team faces on. Okay, raise your Fab2 device. The answer is
Hot girl.
Pop Girls. Sabi na Nadine also named the members of Pop Girls. Joke lang. Joke lang. Alright, so the score is 5-3. This is something we have in common, James. Alright. Who is James's favorite Hollywood icon? Who is James's favorite Hollywood icon? On 3. 1, 2, 3, go. And you guys got it right. The correct answer is James Dean. An amazing answer from the past. We got a winner, and I'm so sorry. You guys get a Samsonite backpack. Congratulations. Each, of course, you get a Samsonite backpack each. Thank you, Samsonite, for these prizes. Team Alex, JD and Alex, good job. They want a picture with you guys, so step aside. And you guys get a prize as well. You get a picture with James and Nadine, and Lenovo backpacks each as well. Good job, guys, good job. Let's have a few pictures with James and Nadine and the winning team and the other participating team here as well. There you go. I hope that helped you learn more about James and Nadine. That was such a fun game to play. Let's give them time to enjoy the moment, have a few pictures taken. Don't forget to use the hashtag if you're going to share these pictures online.